Praise Jesus.
Here we go. Come over here.
Oh,
Okay.
God.
Don't freak out, because I have to be strong, or else she's gonna sense fear. Dude, what is she doing?
She's sensing fear.
I know, she's sensing fear. All right, here we go. Just put your finger out.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
Oh, fudge, dude, I'm so scared. I hate birds. Gabby? Oh, my God.
I hate him more than you do, so.
Gabby? Oh, I can't.
Oh, come on, you puss. Come on.
Dude, she's staring right at me.
Oh, come.
I feel like she's gonna attack me.
Oh, man. Oh, my God. 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 God, this is nerve-wracking. Hurry up.
Okay, dude. All right. You know, like, I would love to see you try to do this. Okay.
Oh, I've tried. My mom's like, hey, if you change the bird's water, I'll take you to the zoo.
To the what?
To the zoo. And I'm like, hell no.
What's that?
Deja vu.
Oh.
No,
Oh, shut up. Dude, you wouldn't do it for that?
No.
I'm surprised. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm afraid for my life right now. I am. You have no idea. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to go to the hospital.
All right, let's zoom in here.
Gabby. Gabby. Come on, Gabby.
Gabby, let her do this. God damn it.
Oh, dude, I'm so scared. Okay.
Oh, come on.
She's sensing the fear.
This is going to be a viral video if you let me put this up.
Okay, hold on. Just clean it yourself. Okay, here we go.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Gabby.
This video is going to get demonetized.
What's that mean?
Means like I won't get paid from it.
Oh. Gab. Oh my God! Okay.
Oh my God.
She's staring right
Oh,
at
come
me.
on, hurry
Okay,
this
all
up.
right, okay, here, just end the video. Start a new one.